No. For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You've thrown your lot in with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
Enemy, familiar friend, my beginning and my
It broke my heart to stay away, but I believed you'd be safer if I did.
Dad, I can't kill dragons.
Don't kill
Can you
dragons.
not hear me?
This is serious, son.
This conversation is feeling very one-sided.
What I try, the words I say and what I hide, all the pain I wanted to end, but I want it again. And I find
Tuba, stop!
You brought him back alive! I'm sorry, Dad.
You came early into this world. You were such a wee thing. Oh, so frail, so fragile. I feared you wouldn't make it. But your father, he never doubted. He always said you'd become the strongest of them all. And he was right. You have the heart of a chief and the soul of a dragon. Only you can bring our worlds together. That is who you are, son.
You'd never hurt him.
And without you, the fire inside is breaking me again.
No! Your father, he'd be every bit as proud as I am.